Legally, you can give her my bag and my phone.
Samir, listen, we'll handle the
Legally,
property.
you can give her my bag and my property.
Listen, Samir, listen to me.
Legally, you can
All
give
right,
my
Samir,
passenger my bag and my property.
Listen.
Right now.
Listen, Samir.
What are we waiting for?
Who's the registered owner of this car?
Can you call my lawyer?
Okay.
Good morning, guys. How's it going? Officer Miller with the Hoboken Police Department.
Hi.
How are you? Can I just get a license, registration, insurance? You have any idea why I'm stopping you?
We're on the one-way. I know we're parked.
Yeah, facing the wrong direction. Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest with you.
Mm-hmm.
We're not from around here. Carteret and Elizabeth. Okay. We're able to do this. So.
Okay. Yeah. So in Hoboken, you're not allowed to. I just gotta make sure your paperwork's okay, and then.
Let me get a license first.
That's 101.
On our side.
Vehicle goes in Whole Valley. It's a 2022 Range Rover. It's DWI. And it's out of North Bergen.
Breezy.
Here you go. I'm sorry, we're not from here. In our town, let's just do this. They let us like park opposite sides. Like they don't ever say nothing.
No, she needs like.
Yeah, I'm sorry. No, yeah, one way is one way.
Okay.
Do you have the registration paperwork?
But we came out here for something. Wait, all these cops are here for real? There's no way. Okay. I'm sorry.
Yeah, everyone's just bored. It's a Tuesday night, you know?
Bored in a Tuesday night. Got it.
Thank you.
That's pretty. Is that it?
Who's Samia?
Me.
That's you, Samia? Alright, so the first issue we have is your license expired.
No, that's. If you put the,
That's the old one?
If you put the license number and that.
If you put it in the system, it's up. That's just the old license.
The card I have
Alright.
is fine.
This one's shown expired.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it was not.
I mean, not right now. Well, man, how did you get in this position? Yeah, how did you end up here? The GPS told you to come this way. What happened to you? Yeah, what happened to you? Who guys told you to come along 96th Street? Yeah.
I swear.
If you're using Google Maps, there's no way it told you to come down the road this way.
No, it's
I was the one holding the phone.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
There's no reason to lie.
So you told her to make this?
Yeah,
No, no one told anyone to make a.
And
A
we asked her where
turn.
she's coming from.
Right, we're
She said no, coming
adults.
from Linden, right? Linden?
I live in Linden. She lives in Elizabeth.
Where are you coming from with this vehicle right now? Where were you just
From
coming
East LA.
Okay.
So we had
So-
dinner over there,
Okay.
me and her, and then we drove off.
All right. I'm gonna have to ask you the next obvious question.
Yes.
Did you drink tonight?
We had the taco special. One
No,
drink.
did you drink?
Yeah, the one drink
One drink.
with the taco special.
What was that one drink?
You only get one margarita with two tacos.
It's a margarita?
Yeah, one margarita.
How long ago did you have this
with two
drink?
Eight
We got there
30.
at like 6.
One at a time.
We got there at 6, but we got a drink. We got dinner and drinks at 8.
Dylan, you certified?
Yep.
All right, let's run into the test.
All right. I'm not here because it's too
See.
sloped.
The classic 2 tacos, 1 margarita admission. Pro tip: admitting to drinking gives officers the reasonable suspicion needed to demand field sobriety tests. Watch closely as she struggles with the instructions. These divided attention tasks are designed to be simple for a sober person, but nearly impossible when cognitive processing is impaired.
This way. It's right here. It's right there.
Come this way.
Okay. Man, just go with that also there.
Okay. We're going to be doing 3 tests
Okay.
to determine your level of intoxication, if any. Okay?
Okay.
Have you had any recent surgeries or anything, any braces or anything
No.
that might preclude you from doing these tests?
No.
Okay.
I'm
So you're in good health?
So no, yes.
Okay. So I'm going to demonstrate each test to you before.
You don't have to. You can test me.
No,
I'm
let
willing
me-
to. Only because I've only had dinner.
Okay. You need to let me finish what I'm saying.
Oh,
I have to say all this.
okay.
So, one more time, we're going to do
Sorry,
3
I'm cold.
tests. Okay, so am I. We're going to do 3 tests, okay? I'm going to demonstrate 2 of them, okay? They're physical tests. The other one, you just stare at a pen, okay? You understand me? Mm-hmm. Okay, do you wear glasses?
No.
Contacts?
No.
Okay. Turn toward me. Okay. What I want you to do is you're going to follow this pen. Mm-hmm. And only the pen with your eyes, not with your head. So as I move it back and forth, don't follow it with your head. I need you to follow it with your eyes only.
Okay.
Okay? You understand?
Yes.
Okay.
It's just a bit cold, but okay.
You got the flashlight on? No, I got it. Look up at me. Look at me. No. The next test is called the walk and turn, okay? I'm going to demonstrate this for you, okay? You're going to keep your hands at your sides the whole time, okay? You're going to keep your hands at your sides. You're going to take 9 steps down, heel to toe, okay? You start with your right foot, so it's going to go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And you're going to turn on your left foot, and you're going to do the same thing going back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. Begin whenever you're ready.
1, 2,
Light.
That's 10. Should I go back?
Okay. Yep.
10?
I said 9, but okay.
9?
Go ahead.
1, 2, 2,000, 3, 3,000, 4, 4,000, 5, 5,000, 6, 6,000, 8,000, 9,000, 10,000.
Okay. The next and last test I'm going to ask you to do is called the one-leg stand. Okay? Again, with your hands at your sides, I'm going to ask you to raise your right foot approximately 6 inches above the ground, like this. Wait until I tell you to start. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
And then, secondly, your left foot until I tell you to stop. Approximately 6 inches off the ground. Doesn't have to be exact.
Once each.
Once each, yes.
Oh, okay. Like that?
Demonstrate it
want
one
it
more
up
time.
higher?
Hands at your sides.
Mm-hmm. I have to be so bad.
Okay. 2-5. Okay, come this way.
Is my friend not there? Okay.
She's fine, yeah. She's fine. Just see these, see the first officer over here.
You can 100% be. Yeah.
All right.
Man, assistance over here.
You're going to be placed under arrest
Me?
for driving while intoxicated. Title
I'm
39,
not
450. Yes. You failed every test we did. Okay?
What test did I fail?
All 3 of them. I'll explain
Which
it to you when we get to
test did you
headquarters,
explain?
okay? I need you to turn around. I'm going to take this
What
bag off.
what did I
Where is the
what test did I fail?
Literally on.
Turn around, please.
106 Hudson Street.
106?
What test did I fail? You would be supposed to explain that to me. What test did I fail?
I said I will tell you when we have you in custody and properly searched.
Can you call Super Phone?
2-8, we need a female officer.
Search it first, and then. Ma'am, step back a little bit. Step back.
Ma'am. So sorry for touching. Can you just back up a little?
Ma'am,
Take my
back.
phone.
Ma'am, a little bit more back.
That's my secretary.
Yeah, no, yep.
Excuse me, are you touching me?
I am touching you.
You're under
You
arrest,
don't
man.
You're
have
under
to grab
arrest.
me.
Okay, I just need you to come over here.
Samir is your name?
I need you to come over here, please.
One second, sir. Samir.
But he's looking through my phone,
Yeah,
my purse.
you're under arrest.
Ma'am, everything's
I'm
on
under
camera.
arrest for what?
For driving while intoxicated.
Why am I
So-
driving intoxicated?
So, who's the registered owner of this car?
Jeffrey 17.
And who is that to
Why do
you?
you have my phone?
Ma'am,
Because you're not allowed to possess any property if you're under arrest.
ma'am,
Nati, take my phone.
ma'am, who's...
Legally, you can take my
Ma'am,
bag and my phone.
Listen.
Legally, you can give her my bag and my
listen,
phone.
Samir, listen, we'll let him the
Legally, you
property.
can give her my bag and my
Okay,
property.
listen, Samir, listen to me.
Legally, you can
All
give
right,
my
Samir.
passenger my bag and my property.
Listen.
Right now.
Listen, Samir,
What are we waiting for?
who's the registered owner of this car?
Can you call my lawyer? Yes, I don't need to speak to anybody else.
All right, you don't want to speak to
Take
anybody?
that, call Jeffrey Santini right now. Right now. Which one?
All right, let's get her out of here.
Which,
Nine.
Ma'am, you're gonna need your phone to call somebody once we're done processing.
closest
You
call.
don't want your phone?
That is. All right, come on, hon.
18.
You can't pull me.
Oh, let's go.
Yes, we can.
You're coming with us. Record. Please record.
We're all
I didn't do
recording.
anything.
We're all recording.
But I'm not doing anything. All I'm asking is to have consultation. What's wrong with that?
Let's take mine. It's fine. Just pat her down real quick. Yeah.
My property.
It's with your friend. Have a seat.
It's not my friend. It's still my property.
Sit down in the car, please.
You requested it to
I have a right to know where my property is.
Sit down in the car.
Pushing me. You're
I am
me.
pushing you because
Why are you
I
pushing
need
me?
you to get in the car.
get in the car. Okay?
I need you to get in the car. Just sit down.
You just
Okay.
make it much easier for yourself if you listen.
Oh, we got a belter. Go around the other side.
Yeah, that's right.
126.
Ma'am, we're just gonna have to seatbelt you, okay?
That's fine.
I'm gonna pass this. Oh.
Check
The keys are in there, and how far are you guys?
We'll try to turn the car.
Headquarters is so we're at 4th and Wash, so it's about 3 blocks to the right.
So, less than 5 minutes.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. So, less than 5
Hudson.
minutes. Can you do me a favor? Can you please let me drive your car?
No, ma'am.
Avoid-
I cannot. So the car's gonna be towed.
But
And
you know what? Let me tell you something. You guys didn't originally find something suspicious about this car. You guys drove up and seen that she's on the wrong side of the street. It's not like you guys were following her. And she
This is a
literally-
one-way facing that direction.
parked the wrong way.
You're driving the wrong direction.
She's parking the wrong way on a.
parked.
She's on the
She's
wrong way
parked.
on a one-way street.
She's parked. That's my thing, though.
Okay,
She's
she had to
parked.
drive this way to get here.
That's what I'm saying. She's parked. You know what I mean? The least you can do is get grief.
Ma'am, you're not understanding. She's driving the wrong way on a one-way. She admitted to drinking. She's failed the test. There's nothing we can do.
Okay, that's why you guys arrested her.
Yeah.
Okay, so her car is parked.
It's
The
parked
ignition's
illegally
off.
the wrong way.
It's parked illegally. You have a passenger who's going to take a test who has a valid driver's license.
The car's gonna get towed because she's under arrest for DWI. Registered owner can go pick up the car, or when she's released to a sober party, they can go get the car.
And the insurance is expired, which it can be a reason for.
We still don't even know who
vehicle to
the
be towed.
registered owner is. You have no idea. She refused to answer, so I don't know who the registered owner is in relationship to her.
I'm gonna make it 12 to. Good. I'll take it.
You can walk there.
Take her.
Samia refused the breathalyzer at the station, adding a mandatory license suspension and refusal charges to her DUI. The lesson? GPS can fix a wrong turn, but it can't fix a bad decision. If you found this breakdown intense, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-life body cam analysis.